radio overview. The RFU-C has 4 captive bolts in each corner. This is the grounding point. It must be connected to the nearest grounding bar on the tower, but lower than the radio. The IF connector is connected to a 90-degree N-type connector with an RG8 cable. This is a BNC connector on which the RSL can be checked while doing the alignment. Make sure to keep it closed with its cover when you finish the alignment. The RFU-C has 2 hooking points, one for vertical and one for horizontal. Make sure to use the correct polarization according to the link budget. Do not install the RFU-C with the vertical or horizontal hooking point facing down. This is the antenna interface for the RFU-C. There is a transparent pressure window on it. Make sure not to remove it or to puncture it accidentally.